Good evening. My name is Claudia Caro. This is ending the history. Susan tried to get closer to Joe, but Joe had no interest in her anymore. So he ignored her. Susan didn't want to give up on Joe. She thought he was the love of her life. But when Susan tried to get closer again, Joe and Ashley found out were expecting a baby. So when Susan looked for him, he told her what happened and asked to her not to come back to look for him. After 1 year, Susan Susan understood that he would not return, and Susan met Alex. She gave him a chance, and Susan fell madly in love for him. Thanks.